Hello and welcome to Tuesday. Today might be a bit funky because we've got a few stormy showers today, so hopefully they're lying to us and we don't get any. But we are going to crack on with that end I was doing Friday, try and get that up, and yeah, that'll be a little treat then. Anyway, let's crack on. Boom, what a morning. So just got that other side of the pillar to do and we're up. Like I say, this is we're calling it the rougher side. We're still trying to make it look nice, but we're just using, as you can see, the last of this area is basically. We got some piles of stone up there, but we're getting a bit thin really. It's taking a lot more than we thought. This is just tiny little stuff, so I'll definitely be able to get this done. So what we've done is that's pretty much top of wall height. So what we're going to do for this bit anyway is plonk the tops on, and then what I'm going to do here is actually just put one more course on and then the tops, so the pillar will just be slightly higher than the wall. No, it's turned out all right really. The bottom is all right. It's like, it's not dead straight though, that's the problem, but obviously a full rebuild was advised. There was a few repairs on the bottom and that, but yeah, like I say, I think that's the best we're going to get with that pillar. Sort of straightened it out. You can just sort of see slightly at the bottom. It's just sort of a bit sort of fat, but like I say, it's a repair. It's all we can do. This side is up as well. That's looking all right. Like I say, I just got this little bit here to put in, and job will be a good one really. But like I say, stone is getting a bit thin. It looked like we had loads of stone at the start of this job, but now it's starting to thin out, but it does. But anyway, this afternoon I am going to crack on with finishing that wall, and then going to crack on with doing the tops. Just sort of got the original top there which we've left on purpose, so we'll go down there, put one on down there, run a line, and yeah, just try and use all the big stuff up really. Sort of be crazy paving style, but I think if we do that first, because we're getting a bit low on the stone, all the smaller and rougher stuff we can use for the seat. Getting the footings dug out for the seat area. We are going to keep the back wall up and then basically clad on the front of that seating area. So that's what we're going to do with that, because it's just all we can really do with the time we've got. Like, it'd be lovely to rebuild all of it, but that is not wanted, so we're not going to do it. The rain is holding off. We've had the odd shower. It is actually slightly spitting now. But no, it looks a little bit angry, but it's not too bad actually. I say that way. Hey, it's the rain god, Cam. But yeah, I say that, it's actually spitting right now. So, but it's getting brighter. You know, there's hope. There is hope. Anyway, let's go have a slurp, Cam. Let's go have a slurp. You're right, mate.
I'm happy. Mate.
He's happy, mate.
It's a happy Monday.
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday.
It's a happy Tuesday.
It's a happy Tuesday. Anyway, let's go have a slurp. And I need to pull my wedgie out. We laughing at? You're not okay. We're not okay today. We're not okay. Anyway, yeah. Like I say, crack on. Go have a slurp. Crack on with... No. Go have a slurp. Get these tops on. Crack on with these tops. lovely jubbly, and actually might get a base in as well. So anyway, let's go. This is a treat, isn't it? This is coming down hard. Mate, we did not want this. It looks like it is a shower though. Look over there, look bright, but this is proper rain. Literally over there in this field, lightning bolt, proper like, you know. Matey, get yourself to cover quickly. Let's let this pass. It's only a shower. Hey, it's Cam in the hedge. Cam in the hedge. Oh, what's this about? This is proper, mate. Woo! It's like the end of the world. What's going on?
What's going on?
There's all horns going off. Oh, whoa! That hit that tree, didn't it? Shit. Whoa. Actually raining tennis balls. These hailstones, mate. Look at them. That is quite big. You know what I mean? That's my finger. I just had a couple like smack me on my ear. Cool. You can see them. It's like someone up there has ripped open a beanbag. What's the time? About 3:30.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're literally going to probably use up what we got. We've got one more going in, like, and then, yeah, we're coming down, as you can see, just sort of trying to keep it half and half, really. We haven't got any big enough to go, like, through, if you know what I mean. Obviously, from one side of the wall to the other. So we're just sort of trying to, basically like a zip, trying to keep it sort of similar, but like not too similar, so we just haven't got one massive line going down, you know. Nearly down there. Get that in here. Well, started down there, shall I say. Just got to fill this bit in here. And then, yeah, we'll start off and just keep going until we use the muck up, basically. Yeah, this is not very nice. Not very nice. Wow. What a day. Wow. Oh. It's after a long weekend, this is the sort of day you want, isn't it? It's I've not seen hailstone like that for ages. They were like sort of, I don't know, just, oh, the odd one, to be honest with you, I wasn't far off a cheeky Malteser, if you know what I mean. Like they hurt. Like, actually, it's probably a bit big, isn't it? A Revel. You know Revels? Because they're all different sizes. Anyway, we are up on the end wall. That's up, obviously, bar the tops. Same with the pillar. I've done my best to straighten out that pillar. It actually looks all right. It's just at the bottom, right at the bottom, there's a bit of a bulge. But like I say, without rebuilding the whole thing, you can't do nothing about that. So, because obviously I built dead straight, yeah, you sort of notice it when you look inside on, like, but it's not like leaning. That's the main thing. It's strong, but like I say, it's the best we could do without rebuilding it. So anyway, on one side of the lower walls, the tops are done. Obviously, like one half, if you know what I mean. One half of the lower walls is done. Well, one half of the tops of the lower walls is done. Just, yeah, it's one of them days, like I say, it's been absolutely like, yeah, I'm absolutely drenched. Just sort of gave up in the end. But yeah, no, so we are cracking on. Like tomorrow, I want to get from the little seat, from the seating area, all the way back. So one of the half of the lower walls, and then obviously that top wall, totally done tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be good if we can get that done, like totally tops and everything. If we can get that done, that'll be great, because then we've got probably a couple of days on that seating area. I think the seating area will go up quite quick, because obviously, like I say, it's not a full rebuild, and I've still got the shapes of where it used to be, and I haven't got to work anything out, if you know what I mean. So we had a lovely little blip of sunshine, you know what I mean, a couple of weeks of lovely weather, and now it's just gone back to this. Oh, British weather, eh? Roll on tomorrow, roll on Wednesday, get our teeth stuck into this job now, get it botched out. Beautiful. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you in a bit.